Good morning, students. How are you all? So, today we are going to start the geography part, and here we will discuss about the chapter climate. Okay, and it is a very interesting topic of geography. So, we all understand what is climate. Sometimes we feel hot, sometimes we feel cold in winter, and sometimes we can see rain. Okay, in rainy season we can see in different seasons the effect or changes we can see in plants and trees. So you can see on the tree changes, you can see on the trees. Okay, so um, so climate is something which affects our life very much. So how climate vary in India, why it affects our life, these all things we study in this chapter. So let's start. First of all, it is very important to know the difference between climate and weather. Okay, it is very important to know the difference between climate and weather. To explain it, I'll tell you through the example. You can see uh, in our country, here in this portion, like in our country, in western side, you can see Thar Desert. Okay, and in Rajasthan, it contains hot region. In this area, so weather is in a particular time, like today the weather is cold, cloudy, rainy, hot, so it is called weather, means for short term. Okay, generally how is situation means the climate is still hot. Generally the climate is hot, but weather can be changed. Okay, but climate is weather means if for short term, right? So climate is not the same as weather, and weather is the geographical condition like temperature, rainfall, wind, etc. at a particular time, right? So students, climate is the average weather for a particular region over a long time, okay, long period of time. Next is climate of India. Okay, students, climate of India. So, how is the climate of India? So, India has monsoon types of climate. This type of climate, uh, we can see this type of climate is found mainly in the Southeast Asia. Okay, if I show you the map of yes, this portion. So here we can see this is the portion only of Southeast Asia, right? So students, in monsoon type of climate, winds plays a very important role, a major role. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word which means season, right? So in India, climatic condition vary from place to place and season to season. So there are different climatic condition. Through example, I'll tell you, like if we talk about temperature, so temperature are different in different area, right? In interior part of our country, we can see differences in temperature. In summer season in Rajasthan, it contains 50 degree, right? And in the same season, the temperature is in Jammu and Kashmir, it's different, right? Like around 20 degrees Celsius in Pahalgam in Jammu Kashmir. So you can see in the same season differences in the temperature. Somewhere in Rajasthan you can see 50 degree, and in Jammu Kashmir you can see 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you can see the differences in temperature. In summer and in winter even you can see the differences between them, in between these two states. Um in Jammu Kashmir we can see 20 degree, but in winter Jammu Kashmir uh, temperature you can see 45 degree, and Kerala can be 20 degree. So this is the variation in climatic condition. Okay, if we talk about rainfall, we can see variation in rainfall, like in Jammu Kashmir have heavy snowfall. Himachal Pradesh snowfall होता है but इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. Eastern part of India have heavy rainfall, जबकि comparatively western coast of India have heavy rainfall, and northern western part of India scarce rainfall, very less rainfall we can see in northwestern part of India. Next is coastal areas, right? If we talk about the coastal areas, like if I draw here map of India, the southern part of India, so here we can see the coastal areas. Okay, students, coastal areas. So in coastal areas experience less variation in temperature. We cannot see the differences in temperature here. Okay, कंडीशन जो टेम्परेचर में जो कंडीशंस है, नो चेंज. ओके, कोई चेंज नहीं होता बिकॉज ऑफ द ड्यू टू effect of sea, because these are the part of nearer part of the sea. This all the part of यहाँ पे बे ऑफ बंगाल हो गया, ये अरेबियन सी हो गया. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ये जो है यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर को मॉडरेट कर देते हैं. ठीक है. सो द इंटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ, सॉरी इंटीरियर पार्ट of a country, India has more of continental types of climate with large variation of temperature. ठीक है, around the year, throughout the year. So in summer यहाँ पे high temperature रहता है, in winter we can see the low temperature, right? So changes you can see in the interior part of any region, right? Now next is, these variation in climate's condition affect lives of people of different reasons. Different types of lifestyle you can see in this area. Those who are living in this area, you can see their lifestyle. You know, they live their life in different lifestyle. Those who live here, they have different lifestyle. Those who live in this area, northeast portion, they have different lifestyle. So you can see the differences in their lifestyle also, right students? Okay, now next is the factors affecting climate. Students, this is also very important. So here we'll discuss how many types of how many factors are there which affects the climate. Okay, how climate controls, right? So here I'll tell you students, the mostly you have to learn these points, these 7 points. First is latitude, second is altitude, third is pressure and wind, fourth is distance from the sea level, and sixth is ocean currents, and seventh one is relief feature. So students, I'll tell you, I'll explain these all factors one by one here. So first of all, latitude. So as you all know, what is latitude? Okay, I'll recall it again. Suppose this is earth, right? And here you can see the 0 degree Celsius, which is called equator. The center line cross it is called equator, 0 degree latitude. When we moves up, it causes latitude increases, right? Like 15 degree, then 30 degree. So here you can see 30 degree, 45 degree, like this. Okay, to North Pole. And from the 0 degree latitude to 23.5 degree north is called Tropic of Cancer, right? And in the southern portion, 23.5 degree south is called Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, the sun rays effect on equator. Suppose this is sun and it's directly affect equator portion. That's why here the temperature is high. Okay, always used to temperature you can see here, high temperature you can see here, right? So due to the direct sun rays on the equator, climate is warmer near the equator, and as we go away from the equator, the climate becomes less warmer. Okay, so this is called latitude. Now the next is altitude. So it means height. Okay, generally if you want to understand this, altitudes normally we can say it is height. So especially in mountain region there are high altitude, and in other plains areas may low altitude can see, right? The higher we go, colder is the climate. Okay, we can see cold climate in higher areas. Therefore on the top of a mountain temperature is low, and so this is how altitude affects climate, right? So height wise, if you are in the mountain areas, so it is in the high push height in the high areas, like temperature जो है वहाँ पे क्या होगा, कम रहेगा, राइट, लो रहेगा. नेक्स्ट इज प्रेशर एंड विंड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्टली वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज प्रेशर. सपोज pressure is very important, students, very very important. Pressure, suppose this is the land portion, right, and this is the ocean. This is land and this is ocean. Okay, so in the this in pressure of air, so it is in presence of air. This is also here you can see, यहाँ पे क्या है, air presence है, right? So on the land, the air presence on land, so the air would become hot and then it rises up. जब यहाँ पे air जब गर्म हो जाती है, effects of sun rays, okay, so ये क्या होगी, गर्म होके rises up. When the air presence on ocean, it is not hot because ocean इतने जल्दी गर्म नहीं होते हैं. दैट्स वाई इसका जो एयर है वो हॉट नहीं होगा. दैट्स वाई ये it will not be rises up. But pressure on land will be low pressure, so cold air does not rise up. ओके, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट कि जो कोल्ड एयर होती है वो ऊपर को राइज अप नहीं होती है, जबकि हॉट एयर इट राइज अप, ऑलवेज इट यूज टू राइज अप. ओके, सो दिस क्रिएट्स अ रीजन ऑफ हाई प्रेशर. सो विंड ब्लोज ड्यू टू this pressure differences. So wind blows from high to low, right? So अगर ये wind air hot है, it will rise up. It means यहाँ पे pressure low रहेगा, pressure low. Here there is no hot air, so it means यहाँ पे high pressure रहेगा. Understood? And it always blows from high to लो, हमेशा हाई की लो टू लो की तरफ को जो है ये प्रेशर मूव करता है, राइट? सो लैंड जो है इट इज़ हॉटर एंड जो ओशन है वो हमेशा कूलर रहता है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सन रेज, राइट? इट इज़ अबाउट द summer season. It happens in the summer season, right? So what happened in winter season, I'll tell you in the next video. So till then, thank you so much, students.